How to change the Riot Games password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can change password of our Riot Games account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to change the password for your Riot Games account, it's actually quite very simple. Go to account.riotgames.com and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you go to account.riotgames.com, you will see this type of interface here, where what you have to do is simply scroll down, and under this Riot account sign in tab, you'll find this option that says change password. So all you have to do is simply enter your current password, enter the new password, re-enter the new password to confirm it, and then just click on the save changes option to save the changes. Just so you can go ahead and then basically change your Riot Games password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.